Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome PlayStation 5 controller. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're going to draw in the touchpad area first, which is going to be right on the center. So we're just going to draw one slight curve on the top. And then now we're going to slant in. So just come down. On this part right here, we'll just round it out. And then just close it off flat. Alright, so once we have this shape, we're going to come down and draw in the two little joysticks here first. So we're going to draw one big circle right on the corner of this. So just come down from this. Okay, so this part's a little bit tricky. So whatever circle you draw in here, try to draw the same size in this one, on this side. Okay, and then now for the joystick itself, we're going to draw another circle inside. So this one's a little bit easier. Just follow the shape on the outside. Same thing here. And then for some extra detail, I'm just going to draw one more circle inside. Okay, so now let's continue on. So now we're going to draw in the bottom right here. So just come down from this circle, right in the middle. You make two little points, and we'll just close it off flat. Alright, so that's going to be the middle, and now we're going to continue on and draw in the handles. We'll continue with this curve. Just go out. So same thing on this side. Okay, and then come back to the bottom right here. Draw a slight curve to right about the circle right here. Just go past the circle. And then now for the really tricky part, we're going to draw in the sides. So this side is going to be slanting toward this way, but there's going to be a slight curve to it. So we're going to come down, and then we're just going to stop. We can stop right around there for now. Alright, and then from this curve, we're going to continue with this one. So on this one, we'll draw a slant coming down. This is going to be all the way to the bottom. And now whatever space you have here, just smooth it out, just one smooth curve. I know it's a very tricky shape to draw. Okay, so now that we've drawn this side's gonna be a little bit easier. We can actually draw this line first because we can use this for reference. So we just slant down. And then now we'll come down on this side. So same thing here, we're gonna flare out. Now we're gonna tuck it back in. Alright, so it's very difficult to draw something symmetrical, and this one looks like I've drawn it a little bit skinnier than this one. But that's okay, so let's just continue on. So now let's add in some details right here. There's some really cool lines on this controller. So right here, I'm just gonna follow this line here on the side. So just come down. Slight curve going over, right over the circle. And then I'm gonna come down here, all the way down to the bottom right here. So just one smooth curve. Okay, so right over the circle. Alright, so that's definitely the trickiest part, is just to get the overall shape. So now the rest is a lot easier. Let's go ahead and draw in the little buttons right here. So I'm gonna start in this corner, just one circle. Come across, draw another circle. Okay, so come to the middle of this and go up. And then one on the bottom. And we can put in the markings. This one's gonna be a square. This one's X, circle, and triangle on top. Okay, so now let's draw in the arrow keys. So right around here, same corner, just gonna draw a little bracket like this first. So it's almost like a square. And then for this side, just close it with an angle. Okay, so let's come over here. I'm gonna draw the reverse of this shape. Angle. Okay, and then now for the top and bottom, right in between, angle, and then just go up. So once you draw in one, the rest is a lot easier, right? Okay, and just to finish up right here, just same slant here, just draw two lines, round out the top and bottom. So that's gonna give us another button. Same thing on this side. And then now for the buttons on top, so this one's easy. We'll just continue with this curve, just go up. This side, same, just follow the slant of this. And then just close it off. Same curvature as this. Okay, so we're gonna continue this. Right in the middle here, go up. Okay, and then lastly, for some details in here, let's see, so there's some little holes right here. Just gonna put in, or I'll put in 4. I know there's more. And then on the bottom, just gonna put in 3. And then now for the PlayStation logo, just come down. You can draw a line like this first. We're gonna draw the P. Just bracket back up halfway. Hope you guys can see this. I know it's really small. And then whatever space you have here, just one big curve. So that's gonna give us the P. And then for the other one, it's kind of small, so I'm just gonna curve up and then just kind of like a straight line going into the P. Right here, just like curve. And that is it for this PlayStation 5 controller. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.